Hey guys, before we get started, I want you to help me correct a typo here on the notes. So, 2 plus 6, so instead we're going to say 5, 3, and this is actually going to be minus. Okay, so 5/10 minus 3/10. We've read the problem out loud, and now we're going to solve it. So let's see, tenths. We've got 5/10, 1, 2, wrong color. You know I like my color coding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Minus 3/10. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I have 2/10 left. So 5/10 minus 3/10 equals 2/10. So what's the difference? 2/10. So remember, difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. So explain your reasoning in subtraction. Well, 5 minus 3 ones would equal 2. So 5/10 minus 3/10 equals 2. Let's keep going. So now we have slightly bigger numbers. So 7 ones and 5/1000 minus 2 ones and 3/1000. Okay, so let's start with our 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 5/1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm sorry, there's only 5/1000. Ugh. All right, and then we are subtracting 2 ones, 2, and 3/1000. 1, 2, 3. So that leaves us with 5 ones and 2/1000. So 5, 0, 0, 2. Remember, we put those zeros in there because there's 0/10ths and 0/100ths. So let's check it solving vertically just like we normally would with subtraction. So 7 and 5/1000 minus 2 and 3/1000. 5 minus 3 is 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is still 0. Make sure we move that decimal down. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So what did we have to think about as we wrote the problem vertically? We had to move the decimal. Move that decimal, guys. Without it, our answer would have been 5,002, and we know that's wrong. So let's take a look at this one. So 9 ones, 5/100ths minus 3/100ths. So we'll start with our 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0/10ths and 5/100ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're subtracting 3/100ths, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can see here we're left with 9 ones, 0/10ths, and 2/100ths. And let's make sure we move down that decimal. All right, let's double check with some vertical subtraction. So 9 and 5/100ths subtracting 3/100ths. Okay, 5 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 902? Well, how could 9 and 5/100ths? Oh, yeah, decimal. 9 and 2/100ths. Else we get drastically wrong. Watch out, guys. On this problem, they are just trying to trick us. So let's take a look. 83/10ths minus 6 and 4/10ths. Now hold on just a cotton picking minute because we've been through this. I am not drawing 83 little dots. So I know that 83/10ths is really 8 and 3/10ths. So just remember, if it's in 2 digits, then you can always ooze over into the next place value. So 83/10ths, subtracting 6 and 4/10ths. So hold on, let's do it right with our dots. All right, 83/10ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3/10ths. 1, 2, 3. And then minus 6 and 4/10ths. Okay, so we'd start with the tenths. Uh-oh, I've got 1, 2, 3, but I need to take away 4 tenths, and I only had 3 tenths. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take one of these ones, and I'm going to move it back over, and that's going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 new tenths to play with. So I already took away 3, and I need to take away 4, so now I'm taking away 1 more. So there are 9 tenths left here. So now I only have 7 ones, and I'm subtracting 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I still have 1 1 left and 9 tenths. So let's check that vertically. So we've got 8 and 3 tenths, 6 and 4 tenths. So just like you've done in other grades, we can't do 3 minus 4. So we're going to borrow from the 8. We're going to turn that into a 7. And we're going to make this a 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. And please, please, please move down that decimal. That's important. Let's check out our last problem. Nine and 2 tenths minus 6 1s and 4 tenths. All right, I can already tell we're going to have that same problem, but let's give it a whirl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 tenths. And we're, okay, yeah, because we have to subtract 4 tenths, and I only have 2. So you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this one, and it's going to come over here, and it's going to give me 10 more tenths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 12 tenths hanging out in the tenths place. It's not how we're supposed to do things, but I'll live with it. So now I'm subtracting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 12, now I'm going to have 8 left. And then from the 1s, I'm subtracting 6. So I started with 9 ones, but then I gave one of them to the 10th. So I have 8 ones, and now I'm getting rid of another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which leaves me with 2. So 2 1s and 8 tenths. Let's double check ourselves, please. Yep, we can't subtract 4 from 2. So we're going to borrow, and we're going to turn that 2 into a 12. And 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. And we are definitely bringing down that decimal. And these 3, I would like you to work out on your own. If it's taking you any longer than 5 minutes, please raise your hand, because I think you're going to need a little help if it's taking you much longer. All right, let's get to it.